really early. I came in there. There's a lot of signs. No, I just don't go as much. That's part of it.
No, that seems you guys. I'm talking about some of the fucking.
No, we're the wild.
Yeah. I mean,
7 o'clock.
Yeah.
No, I don't know how to play this stuff.
Oh, you're gonna go on Monday. That way, yeah, you don't want to check your right? You don't want to do that. No, you can go online.
Yeah.
No, you can go online, like the website itself, not the app. Then you get to see the other things, which is stupid. Because we don't do that for the app. We only show y'all one.
What's going on, man? How are you? Q.
Whatever he says about me, they're all true. Every time I yell at him, it's like, it's weird.
Why are we letting that shot happen? Step two, Cubs! Head up! Oh, stay with it! Help him out now!
Hey, how's it going?
Good. This is my friend Q. Part of this.
Q?
What's going on, man? How are you?
Matt, if I get lost over here, pick up Mitty. Get there, Alex.
Just get up and out.
Oh, you're in, Eric, you're in! Top of the box, head up, top of the box! Wait! Oh, good luck, man. That's okay. That's okay. Have that angle, that's okay. My bad, sorry.
I think so.
What's up, Mark?
Although, I mean, one of your girls.
Sure. have long sleeves, I wore a long sleeve undershirt. Always.
I set up an extra monitor at my desk just for that.
Yeah. It seems like a minute. You call me, I'll get up. How are you going for them? Their goal was pretty good.
Yeah. I'm on the
Those gorgeous. You cross
He's really good. He shot it into the ground.
Like everybody else is standing still.
Not just walking over. Not just walking over.
I have to stretch, man. That hurts so good.
Like they kept saying, everybody else did it after the first touchdown.
I would have said Morocco, but yesterday.
They do. They both.
At this point, yeah. Paraguay when it was here, too. What's going on?
Great idea. Top of the box.
I think that's it. I think I'm going like.
That's a drink all weekend. I gotta run it.
Riding back on. I didn't realize Pilates. I was trying to wait for you, but I didn't realize Pilates was going to be back on track. The wedding, which was on Saturday. Our flight was Sunday morning, 7 a.m. Mountain Time. So, you know, I sort of like, well, whatever, it's a wedding. And then I everything was fine. 30 seconds after takeoff, I got up and threw up in the and then did it again. No, during landing, I threw up in the whole
You even threw in the bag?
Yeah, in my fucking seat.
That's tough. Yeah, I've never seen that one
I had it all in the bag. And then the next flight, I was like, I feel like I'm dying. Threw up on takeoff again. And then held it in on the landing, which was almost worse than throwing up because then the whole flight too, getting up like every 30 minutes thinking I was gonna throw up. Yeah, that was crazy. I did not get miles. I also didn't sign up for the American Airlines Advantage credit card for 8,000 bonus points, which they repeated to me many, many times.
Give a little pay sign just for me. That's one
Sorry, Laura.
John, come in, swing off.
It's like, get the skill. They do. That's that thing I do. It's that I do.
Lutton says
Yeah.
50.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, but you can stutter step as the shooter, but the goalie can't Yeah, you should score.
Yeah. Megan.
She hasn't been
Mike, stop. Mike, stop.
I think
Bernie's gonna play? Hell
Yeah.
yeah.
There's the dude. Is that Nick?
Yeah, it's like that. We could put a leave
Who's D?
a wig.
Who's D on this side? John, take throw. Kevin, get the car.
Well, that's the thing. Uruguay had two put away with a huge fucking I saw the real. It was a competition coach the most.
Dude, that was the lightest shit I've ever seen.
Can't do that on purpose. One of the Holland players missed the Euro and like
No, you can stop it.
So we got like.
Stop it in.
oh, here's a PK right here. Hey man, you're gonna need to last a couple games, I guess. I definitely learned like